Hello, grade 4. How are you today? Today is our second lesson in the measurement unit. It's about measuring weight. Okay, how to measure weight? The weight is the measurement of heaviness of an object. If I want to say this object is heavy or it's light, I can say that in our daily life we deal with weight in several situations. For example, when your father wants to buy something from the market, such as rice, meat, or fruit, and the seller weighs what he wants. As example, he will put the fruits on this scale, or like this photo, as you see here. And here we have different types of balances or scales. I have the platform balance, or electronic balance, or beam balance, or unbalance. There's different types of balances. So here the first type, or the or here the units of measuring weight. I have three different units to measure weight. The first one, when I want to measure the small things or the light things like the rings, jewelry rings, or uh, silver rings, or something like this, I can use the grams. And if I want to measure my weight, as example, a person weight or something, I can measure it in kilograms. It's a bigger unit from the grams. So the grams for the small things or the light things, and the kilograms or heavier things. That means, as example, the weight of this boy can be equal to 25 kilograms. But what about the two heavy things or the most heavier things? If I want to measure the weight of this truck, it can be weighed in a big unit of measure. It's called ton. So the ton is the biggest unit of measuring weight. As example, in this truck it weighs 1.5 ton. So the grams is the smallest, and kilograms bigger than the grams, and the biggest unit of measuring weight is the ton. So how can we convert units? Let's see. Each ton has 1000 kilograms, and each kilogram has 1000 gram. And as we said, when we want to go from big to small, multiply small to big divided by. So when we're going from ton to kilogram, we should multiply by 1000. And when we want to go from kilogram to gram, we should multiply by 1000 too. Yes. And if I want to return back from gram to kilogram, I should divide it by 1000. And from kilogram to ton, I should divide it by 1000. Again, the 1 ton has 1000 kilogram, or the 1 ton equal 1000 kilogram, and the 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. And if I want to move from ton to gram, that means I should multiply 1000 by the other 1000, and that means the ton will be equal 1 million gram. Okay, and let's take the half ton, the quarter ton, the 3/4 ton. The half ton equal 500 kilograms. The quarter ton equal 250 kilogram, and the 3/4 ton equal 750 kilogram. And if I want the half of the kilogram, it will be 500 gram. The quarter of kilogram, it will be 250 gram, and the 3/4 of kilogram will be equal to 750 gram. Let's complete the following. The first one, number A, 3 kilograms. I want to know how many grams. So the 3 kilograms, I'm going from kilogram to gram. That means I'm going from big to small. I should multiply. Multiply by what? Yes, multiply by 1000 because the 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. So it will be, yes, 3000. Number B, 2 tons. How equals how many kilograms? I'm going from big to small as the previous one. So each ton has 1000 kilogram. That means I should multiply 2 by 1000. It will be 2000. Okay, number C, 9250 kilogram. Here I want to move from kilogram to ton. That means from small to big. I should divide it by 1000. When I divide it by 1000, as we said before in the previous lessons, 10 will fly with a 10 of the thousand, and then we put the decimal point because it will be 925 over 100. So I put the decimal point after 2 places from the right hand side towards the left hand side. Number D, 4500 gram equals how many kilogram? As the previous one, we're going from small to big. That means we should divide it by 1000. So it will be 4.5 kilogram. Or if we can remember that the 500 gram is the half of kilogram, that means 4.5 kilogram. Or I can put it as 4.5 or 4.5 kilogram. Okay. Number E, 75 kilogram. How many gram? Here I'm going from big to small. I should multiply 75 multiply 1000. It will be 75 thousands. And here is the last one. 10,000 kilograms equals how many ton? That means I should divide. I'm going from small to big. Divide by 1000. The 3 zeros with the 10,000 will fly together from the 3 zeros of the 1000, and the result will be only 10 tons. I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.